To make grid motion background like a man Gadzi, we need an app name alight motion. From shape option, select square shape. Search gradient overlay in effect browser. Search edge glow in effect browser. Search dark glow in effect browser. Search grid in effect browser. Arrange the effect as shown in the video. Add keyframe 1 at the start and 1 at the end. Your grid motion background like a man Gadzi is ready. Export by clicking this icon. Select the resolution in which you want to export the video. After exporting the file, click the Save to save the file in the gallery. Thanks for watching. For more video like this, please like and subscribe our channel.